education.
I am thankful for my life and pets.
I'm thankful for the people who work at the shops.
I'm thankful for all the farmers.
I'm thankful for life.
I am thankful for my Xbox.
I am thankful for my health.
I am thankful for my home.
Who loves you, baby? Ha! Come on now, let's get together and come on now, let's get together and come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. See me, I laugh. I drove my tractor through your haystack last night. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now something's telling me that you avoiding me. Come on now, darling, you got something I need. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together. Come on now, let's get together. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets, I'm a man built for speed. And you know I'll love you, darling, so give me your hand. But the thing I want the most is all the acres of land.
Once our bellies bulge and we're filled with harvest cheer, it's time to spread the joy of harvest to people far and near. So grab your harvest box, you know just what to do. Fill it full of festive food for those less fortunate than you.
It's that time of year again when the harvest moon shines bright.
So let us gather round and celebrate it here tonight.
All the fields are empty, there's no crops inside. The food now lays upon the table, so let's take our first bite.
Harvest is such a good opportunity for us to take stock and notice the things that we have that are good in our lives. To be grateful for the food that we have to enjoy and all those people who've grown and prepared it, but also to notice other things as well. So we're going to take a few moments just at the end of this harvest celebration, a few moments of quiet for you to think of something that you're thankful for. It could be a person, it could be some food, it could be an activity you enjoy, it could be something about school. Let's take a few moments of quiet and then I'll finish with a blessing prayer. Dear God, thank you for all the good things that we have in our lives. Thank you for the things that we've thought of today. Help us to be grateful, to notice the good things and be good at saying thank you. And help us to be open-hearted and open-handed and to share with others. Amen. So may God bless you this harvest time, that you'll have a lovely time and have a good break next week.
Well, it's our Harvest Festival and here we are to celebrate. And this is Mrs. Fernley, and I want to share some of my photographs that I've taken during autumn. I love autumn. Autumn is my very, very favourite season. I love the colours of the leaves. I love the beautiful berries that keep the birds alive over the winter. I love what people leave around in autumn. Look at this beautiful carving and how the lights shine on the trees in the evening. And if you look carefully, you'll see signs of creatures, birds, and the tiniest, most beautiful flowers. And if you climb trees, which children love to do, you'll see the world from a different perspective. And the best thing, of course, is making sure you get out there and kick those autumn leaves and run through them and go for a wonderful, wonderful walk. Shapes of the trees, and you can even make art and appreciate the colours of the sky. And the seeds and the new life that's growing that are everywhere. And when you're blowing those dandelion clocks, don't forget it's a wonderful, wonderful world. Make sure you're a good friend, that you love everyone, and that there's goodness in your heart this autumn.